All right, we're back with just a little update. I did not explain anyway. I had to go in between here on both sides with a grinder and cut the bolt out of there on that old one to get it out. I didn't say that, but that's how I ended up doing that. All right, we got the other one in there. It's not tightened down, but I just wanted to show you this. Obviously in the car with everything hooked up, the rear end shifts, so it shifted forward. So my solution to that was I just put a ratchet strap on the frame down below the shock here, pulled it back, and bolt popped right in. So that worked out all right. So that was just a follow-up on this, on the bottom ones. I'm sure I'll have to do the same on the other side. All right, we'll talk to you later.